You want to roll back over? You went to your back pretty easily. That was a good job. Of course, it was more falling onto your back. You're just going to hang out now?
She is going to hang out.
She's going to hang out?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Can you go back to your belly and show me how to crawl? That's not it. There you go. There you go. I know you're so excited about it. Want to come over here and get some of these toys? Yeah?
I love these toys right now.
You sure are. I know.
Uh-oh. Okay, I guess we'll have no door. Let's switch.
There you go. And that's how we go to the back. Sort of a fall. The end.